I'm an urban development professional, so the main expectations of this course for me was to specifically understand the concepts in disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptations, and how it sort of cross-links to concepts of human development or urban development, and just understand the cross-linkages. The other expectation from this course for me was to sort of interact with professionals from these other fields and see how they sort of apply these concepts within their own professional arena. The relevance of this course in my field of work was to sort of understand how different perspectives matter within our own work. For example, looking at human development, but also in the perspective of climate change and disaster risk reduction is probably a very important thing that we don't usually put our minds into, but something that is something that we have to start thinking about. So I think the coming together of all these three fields is relevant to sort of any field that we are involved in. I suppose the three most important takeaways for me from this course was one, broadening of my own perspective of how climate change, adaptation, disaster risk reduction sort of interact with urban development. Second is to sort of think about urban development at the core of all the work that we do. I suppose it's a given, but somehow we overlook that in our practice in whatever field we are involved in. And a third interesting takeaway for me was that I was able to interact with a lot of people here with vast experience from different fields, and through these courses of conversation I realized that maybe all of them are in a way dealing with same problems but approaching it through different perspectives, and the coming together of these perspectives was very interesting for me to experience. So those were the takeaways for me. I think the course structure was very interesting because on the one hand we had a lot of theoretical knowledge coming to the fore. We had a lot of clarification of concepts and of theories and ideas from the academic side, and on the other hand we also had a chance to sort of apply it onto a real case. That's the case of Shimla. So it was a good mix of theoretical and practical components within the course. And I think the choice of case was also interesting because none of us in our course are from Shimla. So I think pulling ourselves out of the context we actually deal with and working in a different context gives us sort of new perspectives. And I think that was quite interesting to sort of look at things from a third person's perspective and apply it to a case. It worked out well, I suppose.